Hi, my name is Kevin Deane, and I'm a stand-up comedian from Orlando, Florida. St. Cloud, Kissimmee, Florida, actually, to be exact. I started stand-up comedy in 2016. I went to open mics and was amazed by the level of talent that we had in Orlando. I watched one or two, and I thought it would be my time to get up there and try stand up for myself. I was always funny around friends and mixed company, but stand-up comedy is an entirely different muscle. So I went up there with confidence and a story and fell flat on my face. Didn't do so good, but I tell any new comic this: the make or break of a stand-up comic is not how funny you are; it's your persistence and your discipline to the art. So just kept getting back up there and doing it. Got a little bit better each time. Started getting some recognition from some bigger comics in the area. Got put on shows. Took some time off to work corporate for a little while, but I came back in 2019, knocked the rust off, and it was like I never missed a beat. So I've been consistently doing stand-up now for a few years, pandemic aside. I love stand-up comedy. I love entertainment in any form. Always been a student of comedy, whether it's movies or improv or stand-up plays. I just like making people laugh, and I love watching other people who are at the best in their game. To me, I think that it is really a true God-given talent to make somebody laugh or to entertain somebody. There's so much access to entertainment in the world today. We have entertainment at the click of a finger now. And for somebody to stop and watch your video or listen to your joke, I think that really says a lot. So I'm truly honored and feel grateful for the opportunity to even be able to perform for people. But all in all, man, I usually just try to let my jokes do the talking for me. I let it all out on stage. I don't pander, talk about what's real to me, talk about my life and my experiences. And honestly, to quote the immortal Drake, the moment I stop having fun with it, I'll be done with it. I have fun while I'm up there, and I love looking into the audience and seeing the faces of other people having fun too. It's a wonderful thing. I hope to continue to do this for the rest of my life. I hope to be able to travel. I hope to get the recognition of being one of the greats. Honestly, that is so much more important to me than fame or money or anything. My definition of success is doing what I love, being happy, and being recognized by the peers that I look up to. So I'm on my way, I'm in my journey, and I'm enjoying the journey so far. It's been a really beautiful thing. I'm really honored to be performing at this conference and look forward to meeting and seeing everybody and seeing smiling faces. I appreciate your time and have a wonderful day.